Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Nur Adana Alisha binti Nordin. My ID 04092701122001. My subject English for Oral Communication. Today, I would like to talk about an important issue that affects our planet and the future of biodiversity, endangered animals. Endangered animals are species that are at a very high risk of extinction in the near future. Around the world, thousands of animal species are facing population decline to human activity and environmental changes. According to conservation organizations, many species could disappear within our lifetime if immediate action is not taken. Animals play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. Every species has its own function in the ecosystem. When one species disappears, it can create a chain reaction that affects many other organisms, including humans. In my speech today, I will discuss three main points. First, the meaning and importance of endangered animals. Second, the main causes that lead animals to become endangered. Third, several endangered animals are the effort that can be taken to protect them. Meaning and importance of endangered animals. Endangered animals refer to species whose population have declined to a critical level, making them vulnerable to extinction. When a species becomes endangered, it means that its survival in the wild is seriously threatened. The extinction of animals is not just a loss of wildlife, it also affects ecosystem and environmental stability. For example, predators help control the population of other animals, while herbivores help maintain vegetation balance. If these species disappear, the natural ecosystem can become unstable. Furthermore, animals also contribute to human life in many ways. They support ecological tourism, scientific research, and even medicine. Therefore, protecting endangered animals is not only about saving wildlife, but also about preserving our planet for future generations. Causes of animal endangerment. There are several factors that cause animals to become endangered. The first major cause is habitat destruction. Many forests and natural environments are destroyed due to deforestation, urban development, and agriculture. When animals lose their natural habitats, they also lose their food source and safe place to reproduce. The second cause is poaching and illegal wildlife trade. Some animals are hunted for their fur, horns, skin, and other body parts, which are sold for high price in illegal markets. This uncontrolled hunting can quickly reduce animal populations. Another important factor is climate change. Rising temperature, changing rainfall patterns, and environmental disasters affect animal survival. Some species cannot adapt quickly to these changes and eventually face extinction. Pollution also contributes to these problems. Plastic waste in ocean, chemical pollution, and industrial waste harm many marine and land animals. Example of endangered animal. There are many endangered animals across the world. One example is Malayan tiger. This tiger species can only be found in Malaysia. Unfortunately, its population has drastically declined due to illegal hunting and habitat destruction. Conservationists estimate that fewer than 150 million tigers remain in the wild. Another example is the Bornean orangutan, which live in the rainforest of Borneo. These intelligent primates are losing their homes because of large-scale deforestation and palm oil plantation. As forests disappear, their survival becomes increasingly threatened. Another well-known endangered animal is the Asian elephant. These elephants are threatened by habitat loss and conflict with humans as forests are converted into agricultural land. The Sumatran rhinoceros is another critically endangered species. It is the smallest rhinoceros species in the world, and fewer than 80 individual remains. Poaching and habitat fragmentation have pushed the species to the brink of extinction. These examples show how serious the issue of endangered animals has become. Conservation efforts, although the situation is concerning, there are many efforts being made to protect endangered animals. Government and international organizations have introduced wildlife protection laws to prevent illegal hunting and trading of animals. Many countries have also established national parks and wildlife reserves where animals can live safely in their natural habitats. Conservation programs and breeding centers are also helping to increase animal populations. Scientists and conservationists work together to protect species that are close to extinction. Public awareness is another important factor. Education programs can help people understand the importance of wildlife conservation and encourage them to protect the environment. Individuals can also play a role by reducing pollution, supporting conservation organizations, and practicing sustainable living. In conclusion, endangered animals are an important part of our planet biodiversity and ecological balance. However, human activities such as habitat destruction, poaching, and climate change have placed many species at risk of extinction. Animals such as the Malayan tiger, Bornean orangutan, and Sumatran rhinoceros remind us of how fragile wildlife populations can be. Protecting endangered animals requires cooperation between government, organizations, and individuals. By raising awareness, protecting natural habitat, and enforcing conservation law, we can help ensure that these animals continue to live on our planet. Our action today will determine whether future generations will still be able to see these magnificent creatures in the wild. Let us all play our part in protecting endangered animals and preserving the beauty of nature. Thank you.